Hello guys, good afternoon. Today I have only 10 euro session. Hola. Mais un día de luta. Vamos llegar a ganar. Let's start. Okay, Estrellas de Suerte or Lucky Star. Stars. Plural. Estrellas. Okay, so we're looking for 3 symbols. The lowest I can win is Acorn for 5 euro, Chavi or Key for 10, Trivo or Clover for 27, Symbol for 50, Rainbow or Arco-Iris in Portuguese 100, Ferradora or Horseshoe 200, Bisuro or Beetle 500, Lucky Hat or Chapeo de Sorte 1000, Juninho or Ladybug 5000, and the stars is the jackpot for 50,000. Gonna use Eternity Luck Scratcher. And in the bonus area, we're looking for 3 stars symbol. Okay. Chave. No. Rainbow. No. Must be 3 like symbols, guys. No. And the annoying barcode. Chapeo. No. One more Estrella for jackpot. Of course. Chave, Key, Aki, Rainbow, and no. And it's not a winner. And the bonus area? No. So ticket number 9 is a loser. Okay, let's hope M2M will save us. Okay. M2M. Rainbow. Lucky Hat. Chave. No. No chance to win. 7. Ferradora. No chance to win. 7. No chance to win. And the annoying barcode. Chapeo de Suerte. Ah, it's a winner, guys! 20 euro win! Wow! I found the Tribo for 20 euro. Wow! Tribo for 20 euro, guys. Wow! 20 euro win. Horseshoe, Rainbow. No. No. So in the bonus area, we're looking for 3 stars and no, but I found a good win, guys. I found a Tribo for 20 euro. Wow. Very nice win in a 5 euro ticket. Very nice win in a 5 euro ticket, guys. Nice. Very nice. Tribo for 20 euro. I spent only 10 euro. Very nice win, guys, in a 5 euro ticket. Okay, so it's nice. It's a nice win in a 5 euro ticket. So I spent 10 and I got back 20. Okay, obrigada a todos. Ciao. Thank you for watching.